Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to get rid of the SOS or SOS Only message on your iPhone so you can restore your cellular connection and get back to making calls, sending texts, and using mobile data. The SOS or SOS Only message usually appears when your iPhone is having trouble connecting to your carrier's network. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting methods you can try to fix the issue. So, let's get started. Method 1. Toggle airplane mode. On and off first. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and turn on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back off. This forces your iPhone to reconnect to nearby cellular networks and can often clear temporary connection issues that cause the SOS message to appear. Before continuing, take a moment to subscribe to the Delft Stack channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful iPhone tutorials like this. Method 2. Turn your cellular line off and back on. If the issue remains, go to Settings and tap Cellular. If you're using an eSIM, locate your cellular line and turn it off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes your connection to your carrier and may restore your cellular service. If you're using a physical SIM card, remove it using a SIM eject tool or paperclip, gently clean it, and then reinsert it into your iPhone. Method 4. Reset network settings. If the problem continues, open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. From the available options, tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, cellular, VPN, and other network-related settings without deleting your personal data. After the reset is complete, your iPhone will reconnect to available networks using fresh settings. Method 5. Check for a carrier settings update. Go back to Settings, tap General, and then tap About. Wait a few moments on this screen. If a carrier settings update is available, a prompt may appear. Install the update if one is offered, as it can improve network connectivity and fix carrier-related issues. Method 6. Force restart your iPhone. If none of the previous methods work, try force restarting your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even if you see the slide to power off screen. Continue holding until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button and allow your iPhone to restart. This process can resolve temporary software glitches that may be preventing your iPhone from connecting to your carrier's network. That's it. You have successfully learned how to get rid of the SOS or SOS Only message on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more quick guides like this.